What's good with it? What's good with it? It's your boy Dre. Welcome back. I be just Twitch streaming a lot more. That's why you probably haven't seen me on YouTube more. But if you are curious, we do play games over there. We play, we check out K-pop over there too. But we got Sik-K featuring Dean. Now I haven't seen that combination in a minute. What? Since when? Like 2017, 2016, something like that? Oh, shit. Hold up. Ooh, that sounded interesting. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy JRE from the YouTube channel, JREKML. We're on Patreon. If you haven't already, you could join Patreon for free. You could also subscribe to access more content. We've been checking out Show Me the Money 12. It's been a while. I did a whole time skip. I think the last time I checked out Show Me the Money was like 5 or 4. Show Me the Money 5 or 4. Boy on Patreon, so be sure to follow that. Link in the description down below. Sik-K, Stay on Fire featuring Dean. Let's go. We'll go back all the way. Who's that girl? She don't look familiar though. She look familiar. Damn. Why do I know? I feel like I've seen her before. Can't put my finger on it for some reason. Is that the American flag on yo?
It's 5 in the morning, I'm up. I'm on that book ground, watching emojis. I'm walking down, I just go to. I'm on that book ground, watching emojis. Search can get that to the.
Hold up. Why did I should say English, but it's not. I should learn how to read Hangul, bro. I'll just vibe out there. Damn, who is that girl? I swear to God, sorry for pausing, but I feel like someone in the comments down below is gonna tell me that's so and so. I'll be like, God damn it, I'm stupid, and I feel like it's gonna happen. Hey yo, pineapple pussy, yeah. No matter tip, just pineapple pussy. No matter that I could get good. Hey man, that threw me off. Hey, shout out to the pineapple pussy. Gotta make you believe me. Okay. No keys. Stay on fire for some crazy shit. Bro, I almost forgot Dean was on this. Hey. That should look like somebody from Meow. I don't know why. I could be wrong. Hey, talk to him. Let's go, Dean. Interesting. Damn, 2026, really 2016, bro. We got Dean and Sik-K. Now, Sik-K been putting out music, though. I've been checking it out here and there. There's another track that he's on with Demo Rex, a.k.a. Bangedam. That shit go hard, though. The beat's an interesting choice, too. KC, is that KC? Is that what it stands for? That was a crazy, I like the beat choice. The way that Sik-K came through, I enjoyed. Like, at least the intro, like, the imagery is cool too. It's 5 in the morning, I'm up. But I think he threw me off with that pussy, pineapple pussy. Which, if you know, you know. And then Dean, bro, I was so concentrated on Sik-K for a bit, I forgot Dean was in the background this whole time, huh? Yeah, he's right behind him. And this is like a pre-release, right? This is more of a vibe too. I feel like this is more of a vibe type of song as well. You know, you just play in the car, late night, you know, whenever. But to be honest, anything Dean, I'll probably check out. Real talk, whether it be on camera or uploaded to YouTube. I'm definitely gonna be checking out anything that's featuring Dean. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Sik-K and Dean's Stay on Fire. Bruh, I'm still on that pineapple pussy. Shit. You know, I usually like, you know, censor myself, but he said what he said. What? Let me see that again. Just pineapple pussy on my dad, I could get good. Or am I doing a drug? Or am I uncle John? Stay on fire. That threw me off, bro. Hey, shout out to Pineapple. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.